Okay, picture this. You decide to learn ChatGPT. You open YouTube, type it in, and suddenly you're drowning in 50 thumbnails with the exact same robot stock photo and some guy screaming, 10 AI tools that will replace your job tomorrow. So you binge 3 videos, learn nothing, and end up yelling at your laptop like it owes you rent. Here's the twist. Learning ChatGPT and AI tools doesn't take a PhD. It's more like learning to hire the world's weirdest, smartest intern, who works for free, but only if you know how to boss them around properly. And today, I'll show you how to actually learn ChatGPT, plus the AI tools that matter, without wasting 6 months on productivity hacks that are basically just neon-colored to-do lists. Most people think learning ChatGPT is like learning Excel in 2003. Click buttons, memorize commands, cry a little. Wrong. It's closer to onboarding a new team member. Think of ChatGPT as your unpaid strategist, or better, the co-founder who never argues back when you say, no, rewrite it in 15% sassier tone, and this time pretend you're Miranda Priestley from The Devil Wears Prada. If you approach it like a tool, you'll only ever get generic junk. If you approach it like a person on your team, you'll unlock what it's actually for. Leverage. That's the name of this channel for a reason, folks. Learning and research. Use ChatGPT as your unpaid tutor. Instead of Googling, what is machine learning, and getting a migraine from Wikipedia, you just tell ChatGPT, explain machine learning like I'm an over-caffeinated barista who's late to her shift. And suddenly, you get an answer that actually makes sense. You can then stack it. Okay, now give me a simple exercise so I can test if I got it. Boom. Learning loop created. Faster than scrolling Medium articles written by people who clearly hate joy. Content and communication. Think of AI as your ghostwriter with zero ego. Say you're launching a product. You can literally brief ChatGPT like this. You're my head of copy. Write 3 taglines that make my audience feel like they'll never have to touch another Excel spreadsheet again. And watch, it'll spit out options. Some brilliant, some beige intern level. Your job isn't to accept the first draft. Your job is to be the editor. Treat it like your writing room, not like a vending machine. Productivity and systems. AI tools can be your operations consultant. Example, you're planning a content calendar. Instead of spending a Sunday afternoon with sticky notes and regret, ask an AI tool to map out ideas for the month, then filter them for what you would actually say. It's like having a project manager who doesn't charge $120 an hour and doesn't send you those passive-aggressive Slack messages like, just circling back, aka, you're late and I hate you. So here's the formula for actually learning AI tools. Understand, apply, iterate. Step 1. Understand. Don't just ask ChatGPT to do things. Ask why it gave you that answer. Break it apart. Step 2. Apply. Use it on something real. Your email, your work project, your please don't make me write this LinkedIn post. Step 3. Iterate. Refine the way you ask. Make it your style. Build prompts that sound like you, not like IKEA assembly instructions. The learning isn't in watching tutorials. The learning is in building the reps. Think gym, not Netflix. Mistakes to avoid. Let's roast the classic rookie mistakes. Copy-pasting prompts from Twitter threads. Congrats, you sound like 4,000 other people. Asking for the best tools. That's like asking, what's the best screwdriver? It depends what you're building. Treating ChatGPT like Google. If your prompt starts with what is, you've already lost. Expecting passive income after one Canva graphic. Sorry, champ. AI won't turn you into a millionaire while you nap. Unless your nap is 3 years long and you also invented Stripe. Here's why this matters. Learning ChatGPT isn't about cool tricks or automating your grocery list. It's about leverage. Every hour you don't waste on low-level tasks is an hour you can spend on strategy, creativity, or, let's be honest, finally walking outside before you start glowing like a cave bat. AI tools are basically your unfair advantage. The faster you learn them, the faster you escape the cycle of doing busy work while some intern on TikTok is already scaling a business from their dorm room. You don't need to know every tool. You need to know how to think about AI like a boss, not like an overwhelmed user. So, how do you learn ChatGPT and AI tools? You stop treating them like apps. You start treating them like your secret team. You practice, you edit, you build your own style. And you laugh at the beige interns along the way. If this saved you 6 hours of YouTube rabbit holes, hit that like button so the algorithm knows this wasn't a complete waste of time. And subscribe if you want more strategies on using AI as leverage, because the only thing worse than being replaced by AI is being replaced by someone who knows how to use it.